Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to reach out to you guys real quick, do a video on how you can start getting leads on autopilot without any Facebook ads, without any YouTube ads, without making any videos. Um, as soon as 2 to 3 days, as long as it takes just to make it. And how we're doing that is, if you guys are familiar with landing pages like ClickFunnels, lead pages, Builderall, things like that, we're basically kind of customizing our Facebook profile to look very similar to that so that people can see it and click on it and kind of go to wherever we want to direct them. Now, I'll give you an example over here on mine real quick. So if you can just see that, I'm going to just bring you down here. So this is my Facebook profile, and I'll show you a normal one. This is my friend Shay. See how there's just his picture and then the background and then kind of his name and then just normal pictures and just something about him. Now it's great and all, but if you're wanting to kind of utilize this more for like a business, then you kind of look over here like at mine. Now for me, I kind of wanted to start something called the affiliate movement where I teach people how to make money being an affiliate marketer. And if you see me look over here, it's because I got another screen. And so what I did is I got a professional picture done, something, pretty simple, but it looks like people would want to do business with you. And then back here in this banner, I literally started to make it like a landing page. So it kind of says like what I'm doing, how I'm going to help people, helping people generate leads and sales through social media. And it says click here. So when they click here, I direct them right here to my Facebook group. And that's where I can, teach them how to become an affiliate marketer, but you can direct them anywhere you want. So it's kind of like a lead magnet, right? And then down here as well, and I only have my Facebook group again, but then I also have this, it's called a feature page, and it says, want to learn how to do high ticket affiliate marketing as a beginner? And they click that, and once again, it brings them to my Facebook group. So that's how you can do it. Now, if you wanted to get these logos, banners, and feature pages done, you just simply go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, and you can get someone to make it for you. Super simple. So appreciate it, guys. Hope you have a great day.